In Cairo, and then Egypt and Kofi. Let's go, bro. Egypt. Ano yan, bro?
Guys, check yung
mga IG namin, TikToks namin. We should record TikToks mamaya after that.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. We're gonna try to record TikToks on all accounts. So check all our accounts.
Oh, that's good.
So yeah.
Spicy?
Spicy? Question mark? Yeah. My cousin, bro. My cousin. You guys remember Tofi?
Nag-echo daw.
Oh, my bad. Wait, siguro mag-mute yung isa, no? Okay. Narinig niyo ba kami? Narinig niyo ba sila, guys, kahit ganyan?
Horizon Cairo. Na...
Horizon Cairo, yeah, bro.
Well, no.
Guys, we're in different accounts pero magkasama kami lahat. So, amazing, bro. Oh.
Oh, yeah. Work out talaga?
Abangan ko Summer Blast 2026. Wow.
Sana kasama na tayo dun,
yeah,
no?
sana Cloud 7, X Horizon, bro.
Tung.
Guys, check my TikTok. Ilang views na ba yun, guys? Ngayon, hindi ko pa na-check. No? Hello sa mga bagong join.
C7 Marcos.
C7 yeah. Pwede din.
That's why.
Pwede C7.
4M daw.
4.2 na ngayon? Yung TikTok ko na brain rot.
Umabot na 4.2M.
It was just brain rot.
What did brain rot?
Me.
Tung sahur.
Like the brr patapir, like that thing.
Tralala.
That's so crazy. How was your day? Yeah, we spent the day together actually, kaming apat. Kumain kami sa TGIF. Yeah.
Dapat kasi, like, we're gonna hang out with someone.
And then, na-change plans.
Change plans.
Yeah.
And this is good, bro.
Yeah. Tough pa din.
Thinking you higher VR.
Nakita ko yung ano? Dinadala ka sa lupa. Ano yan?
Dinadala ka sa ulap?
Sa ulap pala.
Bro,
Lupa? What's lupa?
Tagalog version.
Ulap pala. Dinadala ka sa ulap. Kami ang cloud.
ulap.
Itong ulap. Bro, what's happening sa kanila?
No, bro. Di natin sila naririnig eh. Hindi rin sila naririnig doon kasi wala silang mic. Okay. Buti na lang. Anong ginawa nyo?
Ano na naman yan?
Oh. Oh my God. Okay lang. At tinigay na. Okay guys, magka-call kami pero...
Yeah, magka-call kami pero magkatapat kami. They're just like right there. That's what's going on.
Thank you. Sabi niya, enjoy the night, guys.
Thank you. We are enjoying the night.
Diba? Cloud 7 X Horizon.
Yeah, tough, diba?
With Tofi.
Ex-Tofi, bro.
I'm the non-showbiz friend.
Nah.
He's an
influencer, bro. By the way, thank you to yung sa nag-sponsor sa amin, TGIF. We're not allowed to say that?
We're not branded. Yeah, that's a brand, man. You really have a death wish, bro.
Hey, I'm just trying to be nice.
No, bro.
We're start mo.
But you don't have to say the brand. Don't say brands.
Thank you sa nag-sponsor sa amin for dinner. Yeah.
Thank you na lang.
Thank you. Nala na doble yung glasses mo. Yeah.
Sa'yo na lang.
Nakita na yung glasses.
How do you have that? No, bro. It's already nice, man. Don't wait. What's your name? Saan si Jero? Ba't Jero? Jero ba? Dapat to Jero talaga.
Jiro yan, Jiro.
J.I.?
Yeah, J.I.
Toughness. Sayawin mo daw yung taran.
Guys, Magic Survey King.
No, like this one.
Paano ba yun?
Magic
Survey King na come and break me up. Nasa nalayo sa musika. Let's go! Pero guys, ako, na-aral ko na yung tayo na't pumili. Ay!
Wait, I was also sorry. Let's go.
Tayo na't pumiling-giling. Papagising gising. Ay, gumiling-giling. Ta-da-da-da-da-da-da-da.
Do it. Bro, pati louder, di ba?
Tsaka louder, bro. Guys, tiniktok namin yun. Nakita nyo ba yung behind the scenes namin? Pinost ni Tita, di ba?
Guys, yung mga umatenda ng mga shows namin, alam nyo sinasayaw ko dati 16. Bro.
Yes! Tapos nakita ko din yun during ginagawa niya.
Tapos ngayon, wait lang.
Toughness. Bakit ba?
Fan service.
Fan service?
We're gonna do something.
Pero mag-join ulit kayo.
Ang fan service, what do you mean?
Parang yung nire-request ata kay Tofi.
This one.
What TikTok?
Like fan service, like for example, your fans. They're like asking me.
Huwag mo gamitin yung sa akin.
Okay.
Kamusta, Marco?
Ballerina Cappuccina. Yes.
Ano pa ba, pre? Tralalelo,
Tralalala, tralala. Chimpanzini banani.
Tung. Ano ba? Pre, ay guys, mag-ano nga kayo ng mga brain rot Italian words, bro. Tung Marcos.
Tung Marcos, yes. Tough yan.
We're gonna do mine first.
Tralalelo, tropa lang?
Oh,
Wag naman sana.
ano yan? Ballerina.
No, alam mo yun.
Man, it looks so Korean as fuck.
Wag naman sana, no?
Ano na-call tayo?
Labis na nahihindi.
Layaya mo sa bawat saglit.
Ano ba? Ano yun? Ano yung part niya, ano bro?
Kapag naalala ka, wala naman.
We have a drink, man.
Umuwi ka na, baby. Okay, ako muna magla-live, guys. Kasi, iniwan nila ako. They're gonna go get a drink. Get our drinks. Pero yun, kamusta? I hope you guys are doing well. There they are.
No, it's some high school kasi bro. The orders
Does anyone have a power bank?
This is like,
Do you have a power bank?
I do, bro.
Nice. Okay, later. Can I borrow later, bro? Sige.
What's your drink, Marcus? This one, diba?
Yeah, that's my drink.
Yes. Okay, bawal.
Ay, bawal. Ay,
Oh, brand again.
oh, another brand, bro.
Just cover it, bro.
Yeah.
Wait lang.
I
What?
feel like we know who that is. Exactly.
Yeah. So we're like, ano na tayo, guys? Wait lang, Papa.
Wait lang.
Ano po?
Naka-live.
Nag-TikTok po.
Nag-TikTok.
The Starbucks.
Yes, guys. Sana hindi na nag
Ay, wait. Saan tayo dadaan? Cairo.
I thought Gentleman, sir.
No, wait. Ano na lang?
Ay, daw,
Wolfgang.
Wolfgang.
Nandito ako sa Starbucks ngayon.
Saan si Kyler? Guys, bakit ako dalawa-dalawa yung sila, Ben?
Sige.
Hindi mo ba sa comment?
Yun nga eh. Wait. Let me figure something out. I do my content.
Grabe. Parang siya nag-block blast, no?
No!
Magawa siya ngayon din sa ano. Okay, phone ko.
Okay, sige.
Oh!
We're doing it! Guys, kanino account yan? Kanino account? Your, okay guys, get ready.
Kami game 1,
Sige.
2, 3.
Really ba?
It's funny, yeah. Yo, toughness, bro. Someone gumawa na kayo ng edit.
Sino James?
James, he's my number one editor right now. Stories kasi kahit hindi madala. Yeah.
Sign up stories. Parang kumain lang.
Yeah. Pwede.
Basta just don't mention anything.
No, but like location.
Location, pwede?
Okay. Sige.
Who's gonna stop us, dude?
Who's gonna stop me?
No, you ruined the block dust thing.
Okay lang, EJ. house guest Marcos. Yes, guys, soon.
Alam niyo ba yung mga drinks nila dun sa PBB? Tinitikman na namin eh.
Yeah, real.
Yeah, bro, tinitikman. Ready na kami.
Yeah.
So, PBB,
Oh, that's good. That's good.
kung kailangan nyo ng extra housemates. Ay, si
Kuya.
Roxanne! Andin si
Ay,
Roxanne.
Roxanne, hello, Roxanne.
Oh, thanks guys. So, kung gusto nyo guys na PBB kung kailangan nyo ng dalawa,
Hello po, kuya.
Kuya. Kuya,
Hindi na po, kuya.
sorry kuya kung natulog ako sa CR. Hindi na kuya.
Oh my God. Wala si Lucas, guys. It's your birthday. Happy birthday. Sino kasama nyo? I'm with Cairo, pero also with Egypt and Tofi. Go check them out. Sa TikTok, sa everywhere.
Brand, what brand?
Nakita ba yung brand? Feel ko habang I was taking a sip, nakita.
I'm looking for the video, bro.
Bad, guys. Kailan ulit yung mga vlogs? I'm trying to make more vlogs. Sa future, pagka nagka-sked kami ulit, I will make more vlogs. Para you can parang a day in a life na ganun of being Horizon, ganun guys, so that you can experience it on your own, di ba?
Bro, what's the title of this song? No, I don't tunes, bro.
This one?
No, this one. Let's do this.
Pogi naman ni Kai, grabe.
Bro, diba? Tough nga si Francis.
Price tag.
Yes,
Bro,
it's good, bro.
alam mo yung TikTok na, ano yung, okay, tayo gagawa Marcos.
Sige,
It's okay, bro.
let's do it.
Hindi mo pa nga alam eh, pero let's do it na gano'n.
Siyempre, para sa'yo bro.
Okay.
Basta ikaw.
There's a TikTok, bro. Naka-off ba, bro?
You guys have to wait for me to talk.
Oh.
Also, we're gonna bring you home.
Galing nyo ng Summer Blast. Thank you guys.
Ito, yun na, need you.
Okay. Okay, sige. Okay, sige.
Behind the scenes.
Behind the scenes kasi magtitiktok kami.
Wait, I can't hear it, bro.
Can I see myself muna? Baka... Okay lang
Do you want
naman.
any...
Hindi, okay na yan.
Bro, kamali ako.
Wait, nag-start tayo.
Nang ano?
Content.
Yeah,
Do you want
nagtitiktok
to
kami
sit
right
here,
now.
bro? Do you know yung TikTok na, and I love you, and I miss you.
Ganun mo lang.
Ayun nga, okay.
Tayo ba?
Natatawa siya eh.
Ganun tayo.
Okay, sige, go. Bisa pa ito ba?
I look bad eh.
No, you don't, bro.
Good.
Pogi mo nga eh.
Here.
Ang cringe ko.
No, ay. Sige. Dito natin nilalagay.
Sa atin na.
Yes! Tough.
Ganun sige.
Bro, cringe. Puro mukha ko nakakaya. I don't like, bro. Sorry, guys.
No, it's cringe.
I like it.
You like everything.
I like it. Yeah, I like
Oh,
it.
bro, it's so cringe, bro. Pero like, it's fun kasi. Like,
Pero guys, we have to go na kasi we're gonna take more TikToks.
what if gawin mo sa'yo and I do it
Yes.
with Marcos, do it with
No, bro.
Egypt?
Like, what you mean?
Yeah.
Bro,
Why?
ito, wala naman, nakikita niyo ba yun? Okay.
Nice. Okay guys, we're gonna end na talaga kasi we're gonna take more TikToks, okay? So yeah guys, thank you.
Where I want that song.
Diba? I just it, bro.
Bye.
Kasi it's
Love
funny.
you guys.
What is it?
We're just gonna take TikToks. Kaya hintayin mo na lang yung mga TikToks namin guys.
Kasi ang funny din
Tofi,
naman niya, bro.
Egypt, Cairo, Marcos, kami na pa. We're gonna take TikToks. So check nyo yung account namin guys. So yeah, okay. Bye guys. You guys wanna say bye? Bye.
Pasensya, bro.
Let's go.